Howdy folks, thanks for stopping in at Dad's Toolbox. In today's video, we're going to take the dents out of some wood. Stick around. Alright, so when I'm making this cross here, you can see there's the other portion of it here. And when I was fitting it together, I whacked it a few times with the mallet and made these dents in the wood. Now before I glue it together, I'm going to take the dents out of the wood. I'm going to raise the grain. In order to do that, what I've got here is I've got a wet rag. I've gone and got it wet in the sink. And then I've got this clothes iron. It's literally like a $20 iron from Walmart. And what I want to do is place our piece of damp cloth over the area, and then we're going to, I've got the iron set on high as it'll go. Cotton, if that matters to you. Okay, so I'm gonna iron it up real good, and then take a look. Ouch, hot. Okay, immediately you can see a difference. There's still that one little dent there, but if you follow that grain line, see, I'll be able to sand that out. That'll be fine. So now look over here. There's a good view of those dents. See them? Okay, so we're going to place our towel over. Still damp. And then we're just going to iron it right over it. You can see those dents are all but gone. Let's revisit this side. Let's see if I can get that any better. Put our towel on there. And that's just steam coming off there. That's not smoke or anything. Okay. Yeah, no, I don't think I'm going to be able to get rid of that one because I actually tore some of the fibers. But it looks a hell of a lot better than it did when I started. See that? We'll be able to sand the rest of that out of there. Let's hit this one again. Just to do the best we can with it. Okay. Good news is this is the back side of this cross, so if it's not perfect, that's okay. Yeah, look at that, they're almost completely gone. The rest of that I'll get out in sanding. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you how well this is going to work after you sand it. Since I'm getting ready to sand this off, I've got to place my arrow in here so I don't lose track of which side of this wood I'm using. I've got this big glare right here because I've got a low angle light shining across here so you can see what's left of those dents. I'm going to hit it with the orbital sander. I've got, what is that? Should be like 150. Can't read it. Let's look on the other side. Oh well, steel's about 150-ish. We're gonna go 150 grit and sand it down. Okay, so it's still just a little bit of distortion there. See it. That is gone. Just that easy, we got rid of those dents. Do the other side. Should be able to see that one real good. Oh, right there. See it? Alright, there we go. Not there anymore. Okay, so what was that, about 15-20 seconds worth of sanding after I raised the grain like that, and they're gone. They're no longer an issue. Alright y'all, so that was just a quick woodworking tip video for the day. If you found the video entertaining or helpful in any way, give me a thumbs up, man. Let me know I'm doing okay. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. Y'all take care.